Hi guys, welcome back to NeoTech. In this new video, we're going to be going over how to turn on or off notifications on Netlist. Now the first thing is to log into Netlist on your PC or your mobile, and then you want to click on the emoji icon on the top right side of the screen and go to account. So from the account page, just click on profiles on the left side and then click on the profile that you want to effect the settings for. Alright, so from here, if you look at other preferences, you see notification settings, and here is where you can manage your notifications for email, text, and all push notifications from Netlist. So just go ahead and click on that. So by default, the email notification is not connected, but right under push notifications, we have this tick that screen, which means that push notification is active. So we just go over to push notification to manage that, and from here we can begin to review our preferences and toggle on or off. For example, let's say I'd want to stop receiving notifications about releases, recommendations, or gameplay activities, so I can just go ahead and toggle that off, because by default it's toggled on. So you can see your preferences has been updated. You can just take your time to go over all of the settings here, and you want to set what notification that you want to turn on and off. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.